Hi, I'm Rod Torrey. I'm the sales manager here in Namtalay Condominium from the Nova Group, located in Nha Jomtien. We're here today for me to take you around the site, show you construction update and just have a look around. Follow me. Namtalay Condominium is located 200 metres away from the beach in the Nha Jomtien area, just next to La Royale Condominium. It has easy access to the main Sukhumvit road, and local roads have been upgraded to make local access easier. We are in the middle of Building A. The part we're standing on at the moment is going to be the pool area, but current progress is, as you can see, the main structure is almost complete. It's 13 floors, we've only got one small section to pour, and that's the structure complete. We're actually 1 month ahead of schedule, which is pleasing. So all looking good for our usual Nova promise that we'll deliver on time with the Nova Group quality, and again delivering all our customers good value for money. Eventually the Namtalay project will consist of 2 buildings, each with 13 floors and over 500 units. There will also be a number of commercial units available as well. Units that we have available start from a studio at 26 square metre. We have a variation of 1 bedroom that start from 40 square metres up to 50, and we also have a 2 bedroom available at 71 square metres. We are on the 9th floor where I want to show you the views you get. As you can see, spectacular views, Ocean Marina, Bang Saray, Koh Lan Island, just truly breathtaking views. All of the inside units will have views over the 25 metre pool and tropical garden area. The area we're looking at will be the double-heighted luxury lobby area we will design. It'll also be the main entrance to the building as well. One bit of news we have at Namtalay is the launch of Building B. Building B is a mirror image of Building A and is located directly opposite Building A. To give you an idea of what Building B will be, is the showroom is the actual swimming pool area of Building B. We've launched Building B just over a month now, we've sold 5% within that month. If you came along there was a specific unit not available in Building A, then I'd recommend Building B. To recap on the features we have here in Namtalay, we have the 25 metre swimming pool with a waterfall feature, our rooftop garden with sunbathing area, our gym, our 24-hour security. As you can see, all construction's going well. We're due to complete at the end of 2014. So exciting times here at Namtalay. Okay, I hope you enjoyed coming along today and having a look at the progress that's going on here at Namtalay. If you require any information, we have a showroom which is open 7 days a week, 9 to 6, or via email, or give us a call. See you next time. Thanks again.